Today we are going to discuss about diodes, transistors and MOSFET. So this is the second half of the unit. We are going to discuss about what is the applications of this kind of electronic devices in computer technology. Okay. So first of all we are going to discuss about diodes. Okay. So diodes is nothing but it will be used in computers and many of the small devices to flow of electrical current in particular direction. Okay. So for this reason we are using this diodes in many kind of electronic devices, particularly in computers. Okay. So first of all, what is the use of major use of diode is nothing but it is mainly used for four major applications. First of all, it will be used to rectification purpose, and the second one power protection, third one logic gate, and the fourth one that is signal manipulation. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about these 4 points. First, what is meant by rectification? Okay, rectification is nothing but the alternative current it will be converted into direct current, and the direct current and vice versa also. So this purpose it will be used in the electronic gadget. So that is called the rectification. And the second one is power protection. Okay. Power protection is nothing but in some cases and in some kind of electronic devices or in computers, while we are switched on, some kind of voltage variation it will become. Okay. So if we protect the device from the voltage fluctuation, maybe sometimes it will be higher voltage will come, or sometimes lower voltage will come. If lower voltage will come means we need to maintain that particular minimum voltage to maintain to work on the device, and if higher voltage will come means it should be reduced that particular voltage. For that purpose also in the power protection application also diodes are used. And the third one is logic gates. Logic gates, I think you already know about that. Logic gates is the basic things that will be used in the computers. So while the diodes working on it for allowing the power supply or stopping the power supply by on and off condition. Okay. So for this binary conversion, the power supply it will be allowed in the logic gates. Okay. So in these applications also that diodes are used. And the next one is signal manipulation. Signal manipulation is nothing but in audio video technology. So in audio video technology or broadcasting technology, for signal boosting purposes and signal reduction purposes or conversion purposes, we are using the signal manipulation purposes. These areas it will be already included in the main. What are the applications it will be mainly used will be given. Okay. So some kind of important types of diodes also used here. First one is the rectifier diode, second one Zener diode, third one tunnel diode, fourth one Schottky diode, fifth one varactor diode, sixth one light emitting diode, and the sixth one photodiode. So here we broadly discuss about this kind of diodes here. So first of all, rectifier diode is nothing but the conversion of AC DC power supply will be done by the rectifier diode. And the second one is Zener diode, to protect the electronic devices from the higher voltage or lower voltage. We are using Zener diode in electronic devices. And the third one is tunnel diode. In some cases, tunnel diodes are used to save the electricity in electronic devices. So for this application, we are using tunnel diode. Schottky diode is nothing but if any particular application in any kind of electronic devices, that is more higher function work function needed means in that particular area, and metal and semi diodes combination it will be needed. So in that particular applications, Schottky diode it will be used. Varactor diode is nothing but variable power supply capacitor diodes. In some kind of electronic gadgets, different type of voltages are needed for maintaining the device in particular smooth functionality. So in that particular applications, varactor diodes are used. And next one is light emitting diode. Light emitting diode, I think already you know about that familiarly. That is the work of light emitting diode is nothing but while you are applying electrical energy, it will be converted into light energy. Okay. So while you are applying this kind of devices or diodes, the electrical energy, that way forward biased voltage it will be applied, then it will be converted into electrical energy. So in the next case is a photodiode. It will also like an light emitting diode only, but here reverse biased voltage is applied. So in some in this kind of diodes, it will be used in photo diodes or photo cell applications, solar cell applications. While in this kind of photo diode applications, while the light energy can be converted into. So diode is mostly used, this kind of 7 type of diodes it will be used for computer applications. The detailed information it will be given below.